Hello student, in this video I am going to discuss about one of the important topic is input output in Java because it is something different in Java programming language. So I am going to discuss in this video this topic. First of all, how the input output will be performed in the Java application. So input output in Java, any application will be performed with the help of stream. Is a new thing. What is the stream? Basically, it is abstraction and it produces and consumes the information. So whatever the input you are giving, it goes into the Java application with the help of the stream, and whatever the Java application give the output, it come in the form of the stream. So basically, it is not formatted, it's something different way. And the purpose of giving the any input output with the help of a stream is to make the Java application compatible for all different type of devices. So same input output classes and methods can be applicable for any type of devices. This is the theme for it. If you are working in the form of stream, then any type of input output, any type of devices can be attached with the Java application. This is the basic concept in the Java. That's why Java can run anywhere. And one of the concept here, because of this, Java is running in any different type of devices. The package that you will going to include in the Java for input output is java.io. IO that is meaning is input output. Now there are two different types of streams. One is the byte stream, second is the character stream. Byte stream used for the binary data, character stream used for the character data. So all at the lowest level input output is byte oriented. This is also need to understand. Ultimately, character oriented data is converted into the binary data format. Now, two abstract classes for the byte stream is, you have two stream. Now we are learning byte stream. There are two abstract classes. One is input stream, second is output stream. Remember, for byte stream, the stream word is used at the end of the class. Again, in this stream word is used at the end of the class. And we have, these are the abstract classes. We have many subclasses by which we will create the object. And these classes, for example, are buffered input stream, buffered output stream, buffer array input stream, byte array output stream, data input stream, and data output stream. And all these classes has its different purpose where we can use to create any input output working related to byte stream. Now two different classes are available for the character stream. One is reader, second is writer. Now abstract classes handles Unicode character streams. Some of the classes are of character stream, which are basically the subclasses of this reader and writer, are buffer reader. Remember, reader is used. When we have the reader here, meaning it is of character stream. In case of byte stream, we are using stream at the end. That is, we are using the byte stream. And in case of character string, we are using reader and we are using writer. You can see at end of the class is writer, meaning we are using the character stream. There are many other classes: character array reader, character array writer, file reader, and file writer. System class. So this class is important for handling the input output. So it is already imported because we have imported this package automatically, java.language. So it defined the class system. Remember, S is capital here, which handles several aspects of runtime environments. So teaching this meaning of system class, it has some stream variables, or you can stream object. One is in, second is out, and third is error. This system.in, or you can say in object, is used to handle the input. System.out, that is, this object is used to handle the output, and system.error is used to handle the errors. So basically, most of the cases we will use in and out. Now system.in is object of type input stream. system.out is object, and system.error are object of type print stream. These are the classes of byte stream. As it is mentioned, these objects are wrapped within the character based stream. Now, very important, I told if you are using any character stream classes, basically it will be converted into byte stream. So, when we create the object of character stream, basically we are wrapping the object of the byte stream. We will see in our program. Now, example is that buffer reader is the character stream. We are going to create the object of this buffer reader. We are using the new keyword. Now, buffer reader is the constructor. Now, in this constructor, which is of character stream, I am going to wrapping the byte stream object. So, byte stream object is system.in, because we are going to perform the reading operation, as reader denotes the reading operation, that is input operation, and we need to convert into byte stream object into character stream object. So, we need a method. So, name of the method is input stream reader. So, in this method we are sending the object system.in, and it will return an object. That object will be wrapped in the character stream. See it again. This is a very important for Java learner. It is a new thing for them. This input output is not easy in the Java program. We must understand the philosophy behind it. So, it is a very good example of wrapping a byte stream object into a character stream object. So, whenever we are using a character stream object, a byte stream object must be wrapped, because internally a character stream must be converted into a byte stream. So, here the method is input stream reader is the class converter byte stream system.into into the character stream. So, this method is already available, just use this method to convert it. Now, next is the program. So, to use any input output concept in a Java application, we must use java.io.star, and we have created an class brRead. That is basically we are going to use the character stream. Then we have created the main method, and we are creating a character. Now, important part is this one. This is a very important part that I discussed in my previous slide. Now, to create any input, we must know to create the object either of byte stream or the character stream. Here we are creating the object of the character stream. So, BR is the object of character stream, and we are wrapping system.in in this character stream. This is a very important, and this conversion is done by the input stream reader. Now, the object is available to you. Next job is to start reading from user, from the keyboard. Okay. So, it is just, we just make a program, enter a character. So, we are using the do while loop, and this is important. It is an object, and we are calling a method read to read from the keyboard, read from the user. So, you can see it is a very good object oriented approach. We have the object and we are calling a method, and we just making a typecasting to ensure that this must be of character type. If it is not, it will convert into a character and store in the C variable. C is already defined as a character. Then whatever you take as a input, just for demonstration purpose, we are displaying it with the help of system.out.println C, and this will continue till you type the Q. Q is the character. So, when you type, this program will end, and this is the output. We have type like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. You can see it will convert into the character 1, 2, 3, then A, B, C, and when you type the Q, the program is terminated. So, in this program, we learn how to take one character from the user. Second program is how to take one line from the user. So, again we have created one class brReadLine, and we have included io.star. Now, very important part, whenever you are going to take any input in Java application, we must create an object. It is not like a C language. Okay, it is object oriented and Java is something different. So we are creating again BR is the object and we are creating character stream object, and system.in object, which is a byte stream, has been wrapped for the character stream object that is in the BR. Now you are free to use the BR anyway. So BR has been created and we have created a string to store the input that we are taking from the user, and whenever we type stop, this program will stop and then start the do loop. We are reading a line, so we just use the method read line. A line will be taken from the keyboard, stored in the str, and we are just displaying the str. And when we stop, the program will stop. If you see the program, you can see that with the help of character stream, creating a BR object which is of type character stream, how it is easy to read a line from the keyboard and in the Java application, and you can just display it. Now, till now we are using a system.out.println directly. It is an object of byte stream to display the any value in the screen. Now, it is also possible you can use a different type of class for the output. So, system.out.println basically is a print stream class and it is a byte stream. You can use character stream for the large program for internet purpose to display any value. So, in this program, we are using how to take the value from user in a Java application with the help of character stream. Now, I am going to discuss how to display the value, or you can say give the output from Java application in the character stream. In this, we are displaying the output with the help of byte stream. Now, we are going to output from the Java application to the screen with the help of the character stream. And for that purpose, we need to use the print writer class. You can see the writer here. If the writer is there, the meaning is that we are using the character stream. So, some of the example of print writer constructor, we need to use the print writer, and whenever you are using the print writer, we need to pass the output stream. Again, I am repeating, whenever you are using the character stream, either it is for the input purpose or it is for the output purpose, byte stream object must be wrapped. So, that is why we are passing a byte stream object. We will see as an example. And you can set flush on new line, yes or no. If it is true, then flushing automatically takes place, or if it is no, then it will not happen. Now, this is an example. In this, you can see output is with the help of character stream. So, the name of the class is print writer demo and we are using the new, and PW is the object of print writer and we are passing the system.out. System.out is the byte stream object. It is wrapped and character stream object has been created, PW, and we are using the PW is the character stream object for displaying purpose. So, either you are using system.out.println, but we are not going this system.out.println, we are using the print writer object to display any content on the screen. Now, we are using PW println and just giving a message, this is a string, and then we have taken an integer value, it will display the integer value also. We have taken the float value, it will display the float value. So, we have an object and we are just displaying different type of values with the help of character stream object, and which is of type print writer. So, this is the output of the program. Now, one more class is the scanner class. It is a very flexible class, and basically this class is used for the formatted input output, and it converts into any formatted input output into the binary form. Basically, it is used for the input purpose. It is used for the input purpose. Scanner class is for the formatted input. So, scanner is easy to read all types of numeric string and other types of values. Scanner can be used to read input from the console, a file, a string, any source that implements the readable interface. Okay, so one of the convenient way to use the take the input in Java application is the scanner class. Most of the students at the beginning they are using the scanner class. When they learn about input and character stream, then they are going for the buffer reader. So that's why I've taken this topic also in this input output. So our student can be familiar. This class is available and it is easy to use. Now the example of using the scanner class, we have the include the class with the help of Java util.scanner, and here you can see we have used scanner test is the name of the class. Then we are using a main method. Then we are calling the scanner class and we are creating the object sc is the object of type scanner, and again we are wrapping it. Ultimately wrapping is important. We need to pass the byte stream object. So here the byte stream object is system.in. So basically we are using the scanner for the input purpose. So we are passing system.in. So now we use some of the methods because they are very convenient methods are available in the scanner class for input purpose. That's why most of the students are using this scanner class. So here we have the enter the roll number, and we are using this object sc, and if you want to read the integer, just use the method next int. So you can read the integer value, and integer value will be stored in this roll number. And if you want to read the name, just use sc.next. It will take the string value and it will store in the variable name. If you want to take float value in form of double, then you can just write next double. So here you can see we have different types of methods which are available in the scanner class for the input purpose, and it is easy for to use it. If for the integer you can use next int, for the string you can use only the next, and for the next double you can use the double, or you can float data. So this way there are many classes are already available, many objects are many methods are already available in this class, in scanner class. So many methods are available. We can use it for the easy input from the user. So we have taken these values from the user, that is roll number, name, and as well as double fee. Then you can display with the help of system.out.println. It is a byte stream. If you remember in my previous example, we are not going to convert an output byte stream into character byte stream in this example. So system.out.println, and we are just concatenate the things, value will be displayed. So for roll number we have given the string here, then we have name here, then we have name, and just close the object, or you can say close the stream. When you open the stream, you can close the stream. It is a recommended it. If you're not closing it, will close automatically with the Java application. So this is a simple program for the scanner class. So you can see this is the output. Whatever the roll number you have type, it will display name. It will display, you can type 111 name, you can type, and whatever the fees you have typed. So we have given the integer input, string input, as well as some float data. So after getting the input, Java application is displaying this value. Till now I have discussed input output classes, which is part of any Java application. Whenever the or you can say any student start learning the Java program, at the starting he faced the problem how to get the input from user, because they have the experience of C programming, where it is very easy to take the input with the help of the scanner class. But in Java something will be different. You need to create the object. So student will face the problem. Then they have start learning about the scanner class, but logic behind create the problem to them. So here we, in this input output, we have discussed basically there are two types of stream. One is character stream, second is byte stream, and both the streams are different and the classes are also different. One the key point for the identifying the type of stream is in a stream, byte stream, we are using the stream as a substring in the classes, and in case of character stream, we are using a reader or writer as a substring of the classes. So I have demonstrated how to use this input output mechanism in the Java program to get the input from the user and give the output to the screen. Thank you very much. Thank you.